Hello guys, welcome back. This is KHS for After Effects tutorial channel, and welcome to my another After Effects tutorial, how to make a skew by particles in Adobe After Effects. Let's start. First, go to After Effects, create a new composition, and right here, particles, skew. Press enter and fit your screen. Right click, create a new solid. Right here, particles. Then enter and go back to effects menu and right giant trap code. Select the particular. So the particular is ready for use. And then go to emitter, then change the emitter type to OBJ model. So after this, there is an option about OBJ emitter. You must import the skew OBJ. There is the skew OBJ. Drop to composition, turn off, select the particles and go back to effect control. Then select the 3D model to skew OBJ. When you play, the 3D model of skew bird particles. So,
excuse me, sorry, what's the meaning of the OBJ?
OBJ object, 3D object, which is created by 3ds Max or Maya, Cinema 4D, any kind of 3D applications. So the problem is here how to stop the particles. First, go to velocity, change the velocity 0. Velocity 0, 0, 0, 0. Here is. And now, time to press Ctrl slowly down the size of the particles. Then change the particles seconds bird and create new camera 24 millimeters, and you can control the skews. Yes, this is a 3D object but created by particles. Select again your particle layer and press shift. Let's rotate the 3D model. Here is the rotation. Ctrl Z, 90 degree, and rotate again. Here is the front of the skew. Which color is looking good? Red. Red is dark because the background is dark. I think the light blue is good.
This subject is a very danger.
Yes. Here is the particles. And play. Go to physics. For creating some particles animation. Press Ctrl. Increase the x-axis length. Play. Here is. Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z. There is the particle lives, change to 1 and change the particle size random to 50 and let's increase the velocity 10 Let's render. Here's the particles. You can make animation like in true. Change the X went back to 0 and play. Change again the velocity, press shift and create a new null object. Parent map the camera to null objects and turn on the 3D switch. Press R, there is the rotation, and stopwatch the Y rotation, go to 3 seconds, change to 1 degree. So go back to particles and stopwatch the velocity, change to 0. Here is.
Very good.
Select the particles layer, press U and select these 2 points. Right click, keyframe assistant, exponential scale for the smooth startup to end smooth. Select this one and play again. Here is very smooth motion. Let's increase more, 15,000. Here is the 50,000 particles. Let's change the color to a warm color. And apply the glow effect, double click, control the glow effect options, now looking better. Let's create a plan of grid. Create another new solid right here, grid. So there is the grid solid, and right here, grid, apply. Press Ctrl and set the first grid size to, and Ctrl D, make a duplicate, press shift, make the second grid size 1, let's arrange the small grid size into the big grid size. Finish. Okay, now time to set the colors. select both and right click pre-compose. Move all effects and maskings into the new pre-compose main composition and right here. Great, press OK. So after this, turn on the 3D switch layer and press E for the rotation. Rotate the x-axis, press shift and press V for the move and move it down. And now play. There is the grid size. Make a little bit smaller from the wide. A little bit smaller. And press S for the scale. Play now. Here is the result. Press shift. Press T for the opacity change to 0 and go to second tree. Turn on the grade plan to 100. And here is the final result of how to create the 3D OBJ particles. You can use it in VFX movies and your TV commercials projects. Thank you for watching.
Before color is good for the this project because this project is used in doctors broadcasting.
Like that. Yeah, like that.
You see mom bad news?
No, that is looking good. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.
Inshallah.